1. Early start. Leonardo DiCaprio began his acting career at a young age. He started with commercials and small TV roles before gaining recognition in the early 1990s. 2. Breakthrough role. His breakthrough role came in the 1993 film This Boy's Life, where he starred alongside Robert De Niro. This performance earned him critical acclaim and set the stage for his future success. 3. Titanic fame. DiCaprio became a global superstar with his role as Jack Dawson in James Cameron's 1997 blockbuster Titanic. The film was a massive hit and remains one of the highest-grossing films of all time. 4. Academy Award. Despite numerous critically acclaimed performances, DiCaprio won his first Academy Award for Best Actor for his role in The Revenant, 2015, after several nominations over the years. 5. Environmental activist. DiCaprio is a prominent environmental activist. He established the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation in 1998 to support conservation efforts and address climate change. The foundation has donated millions to various environmental causes.